Thank you for joining Digital Marketing Native Training. Please like and subscribe to our channel. This training session, I will be showing how to install WordPress plugin from WordPress library and from a downloaded plugin. So let's get started. Once you log into your WordPress, you will see a WordPress dashboard. Make sure the plugin is compatible with your current WordPress version. As you can see on the left menu, there's a plugin. We're going to click on that. We're going to go up to Add New. This is where you're going to see the plugin library. You're going to go and type search on the right. In this case, we're going to search for a backup plugin. Once you locate the plugin, you're going to click Install Now. Then you're going to activate. And that will enable you to view on the left menu. As you can see, all-in-one WP migration. Now, if you want to install from a file that you have downloaded onto your computer, you're going to click Add New, Upload Plugin. You're going to click on Browse and locate the file. It should be, extension should be a zip. And this is an Elementor Pro that I've already installed. And this is just for a test. You're going to see it. You're going to install now. Once it's installed, it's going to do its process. And in this case, I already have it installed. So I'm just going to cancel and go back. But once this was an actual installation of the Elementor, you would see it on the left menu. And you would see the backup on the left menu. That means the installation was successful. So this is how you install plugin for WordPress. So if you have any questions, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.